Okay, so here's the seasoning salt that I put on my steak. Here's my steak, a strip loin, in the air fryer. That's a piece of parchment paper underneath it. And so I've never done this before. A little experiment. It's an old air fryer, but it still works pretty good. I got it set to highest temperature 400, and I'm gonna guesstimate about 3 or 4 minutes there, and then I'll flip it over and we'll see how it goes. Coming up on about 3 minutes. There we go. Let's see, you know what? I'm gonna turn the light on here. That's better. Okay. So what do we got? Okay, I'll turn it over. And probably thinking maybe 4 minutes this time. I like medium rare, and I think about this again, just guesstimating because all the markings have worn off. That's how old this thing is. So we'll go there. Actually, what I'll do is I'll set the timer. There we go. Okay. I'll be back at 4 minutes. Okay, almost. There we go. Stop. Make sure I get rid of that. And let's have a look. Oh. It's looking good. You know what? We're gonna check the temperature. Okay. Do a couple spots. 115. I think I want it about 125 to 130. So I'll flip it over one more time. And we'll do 1 minute. Okay, timer just went off. That was 1 more minute. There. Let's try that. Oh, look at that. 125. And, ooh, that's a little past. Alright. Well, I'm going to do what I always do. And I'm going to put butter on it. Then I'm going to tent it. Okay. Okay, so I put some butter on it. And then I just use this microwave cover. I'll let that sit for 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Now, let's cut into this and see. I gotta sit down. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna have to put you down for a second while I cut this. I don't have a tripod with me. Whoops. Okay. It's just a little more well done than I want, but still looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a bite and I'll let you know how it tastes. Well, that's good. And it was fast too. No messy barbecue, no coals. Just the air fryer over there. Whoop. That guy. Okay. Talk to you later.